Hi guys, in this video let me teach you on how you can add a link on your Facebook story. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can see on Facebook, you can actually do this because there is not an option to do this on Facebook. So for example on sticker, you can actually have a link here to put on. And if you put on a text and a link, you cannot like view that to yourself, so you cannot have redirection of that link. But the only way to do that, guys, is go over to Instagram and make sure that you have your account link from Instagram and Facebook. So in order to link that, go over to your three dots right here, settings and privacy, and account center. And all you have to do is go over to accounts here and make sure to add an account and add your Facebook here, and that should go ahead and link your Facebook here. And now you can do that here and link your stories on Instagram. So to have a link on Instagram story and link and redirect it to Facebook, so all you have to do is, for example, here, and go over to the sticker here, and just have to go over to the icon right here and go over to link, and just have to add your link here. So for example, youtube.com, like that, or customize sticker text. So you just have to go for example, you have to put on smiley or click here, done. And as you can see, it's clickable, and you can also edit it. And all you have to do is go ahead and link it to Facebook. So it should have an option here to link it to Facebook once you've done linking that, and that should go ahead and fix the issue, guys. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.